Now we're going to publish this so that it runs as an animation. You go to File, Share, Publish to the Web. Right here we want to keep it as a link. Let's go ahead and put it at every second. And we want to start as soon, restart after the last slide. And click Publish and say OK. Now this part right here is very important. You want to copy this link. And then you want to add a new tab and paste the link. But this number at the end up here where it says 1000, we're going to change that to just 100 by deleting 10. And then press enter. And it's done. This is the link that you will copy and turn into the Google Classroom. Remember that my total slides were 76 just to get that animation, so this should not be something done in just a few. It does take time, patience, and attention to detail. Best of luck to you all. I can't wait to see what you produce.